Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how canned meat is made. This preservation method provides a remarkably long shelf life, allowing for convenient storage without needing refrigeration. The entire process, from start to finish, involves careful preparation, precise sealing, and thorough heat treatment to ensure the product is safe for consumption. Maintaining strict quality control at every stage is absolutely crucial to guarantee both the integrity and delicious flavor of the final product. The journey begins with meticulous meat preparation. First, the meat is rigorously inspected, trimmed, and then cut into appropriate sizes for canning. Depending on the product, it might be pre-cooked and blended with various seasonings or other ingredients to achieve the desired flavor profile. Next, thoroughly sterilized cans are precisely filled with these prepared meat portions, ensuring a small, specific headspace is left at the top. After filling, a critical step called exhausting removes air from the cans, which is vital to prevent spoilage and rancidity. Immediately following this, the cans are hermetically sealed, creating an airtight environment that locks in freshness. The sealed cans then undergo thermal processing in large pressure vessels, typically at temperatures between 116 and 121 degrees Celsius, to effectively kill all harmful microorganisms and ensure the product's safety. Once sterilized, the cans are rapidly cooled to halt the cooking process and preserve the meat's quality and texture. Afterward, they are thoroughly washed and dried to remove any residues from processing. Finally, each can is precisely labeled with essential product information, including nutritional facts and batch codes for traceability. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other fantastic deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.